Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Mazda BT-50 XTR Ute, stock reference number 5385. The shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 6th month 2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left front, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module with neck. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Got the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display screen, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.